Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the white balance on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide towards the center from the right side of the screen. Now find WB, which is white balance. And now you can set it to auto or manual. When you set it to manual, you can manually adjust the white balance to make it warmer or cooler. And if you're not familiar with that, you may be wondering what is it for. So it's not really for like people to use it as an effect to make just the image cooler or warmer, because that can be done in post-production. It's mainly for making the colors look like they do in person, because often, you know, cameras work sort of different than your eyes, and making them and you know, changing the white balance will adjust how the camera perceives the white color, because in different lighting conditions it may perceive it differently. And now I'll show you an example. Let's go to auto. It's at 4000 kelvins, right? Now I have this light right here, and I will change the mode to now it's cooler, and you can see it has set itself to a higher value to equalize that. And now if I switch it to a warmer color, on the other hand, it's gonna switch here to a lower value to equalize that. The higher the value is, the warmer the image on the camera will be. So if it's a cool lighting environment, then it's gonna make it warmer and equalize it to just pure white, right? In manual mode, you can adjust it yourself. And here, it's not only for you to, like, for example, fix an issue that the auto mode has, but but also, sorry, if you're like recording a video or taking a series of photos, you may like to set it on manual mode so it doesn't change throughout the whole video or throughout the whole photo shoot, which means that there won't be any differences in the photos when it comes to the white balance, and that makes you have like better editing of everything. You can edit everything better, and yeah, that will for sure help you. So this is how you use it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.